Yeah, what's up, guys? Back to another video.
I'm gonna start pussy really bad.
You get rid of that one. I just because someone swears in there.
What?
I have to read
You're like,
my
okay,
bits
shut the fuck
because
up,
every time someone swears.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, you're
Double back saddle, anyone? Boy.
Alright, what's up, guys? Back to another video. In today's vid, I'm gonna be hanging out in the Discord code.
0 pussy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be hanging out in this Discord code and fish for the crystal fish. But if you wanna, I'm not live streaming. But if you do want to join, I do have this code. It's called 98712. So yeah,
43 almost.
if you want to join, I'll be.
I'm trying to
Guess what? I'm level 50.
So the time that we'll join on this code, it will be 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the UK time. That's when I'll join. Well, not 3 a.m. 3 p.m. Alright.
My Usher's too big of a level.
If I get the crystal fish, I'll have to lose it because I don't have a good rod. This is a really bad rod.
I've caught one crystal fish and it was tiny.
Yeah. Well, if it's tiny, that's really lucky because then it'll be a tiny crystal. Yeah, I do need a better rod, like a bone rod. Because this rod won't be good for catching fish. It'll just be...
Okay, I went way too much.
If we want to catch a good fish, we need... Yeah, Blitz, when you're gonna leave, can I have your rod when you're leaving?
Yeah, mine's just gonna die soon anyway.
Alright. Because I might need you to catch the crystal.
Philip, gonna be joining in any second. I'm gonna
Wait,
hop
Philip?
off on my
Wait,
Orso's
Philip?
level 21.
Wait, it's Philip?
Yeah, Philip, that's because you got
51.
upset about the scam.
Oh! I got something! I got something! No! Oh, I got a purple fish. That's good. Wait, if Philip's joined, can you buy me a bone fish? Oh, the best one.
He has the octo.
Oh. I'll ask him to see if he can buy me one. Then join. Oh,
I actually think this guy is level 43.
Oh dang.
Wait, does anyone here have the last white scoop jar?
What? What's this called? I have
The
a
last
scoop jar
white one.
egg. I got 2 shoe
Can I
drawers.
give you a hammer hug for the egg?
I hammer her for the
Wait, I'll give you 2 shoe drawers for the egg.
Yeah, I'll do it.
No, I'll give you 2 shoe drawers for the
I'll give you some dry egg for it.
Okay. Hold on. We can do the trades after this.
Wait, can I give you 2 shoe drawers for the hammer hug or not?
He already made the deal with me, boy.
Alright.
I have more. Don't worry.
Oh, really? Can I have one now?
For 2 soup jars, maybe.
Yay!
Depends what color.
Well,
Oh my gosh, look how big these baby anglers.
I'll show you when you're going to the trading.
Yo, that is not no baby anglers. That is huge.
You want to know what my biggest fish is? It's like 99.9.
Oh my gosh, it was 96.
My biggest fish is 99.9. Like, I can show you.
My biggest fish was 100.8.
Oh my god, that's bigger than mine.
My biggest fish is the fish that I just caught.
My biggest is that.
Look at my biggest fish. I just got my biggest fish.
Yo, no way.
Wait,
oh my god.
Phillips, can I?
Yo, talking about big fish.
That has to be 100,
Wait,
right?
Phillips, can I have a?
How did you know he was gonna join Colin?
I added him.
Wait, Phillips.
Why did you skin Philip?
Can I have like a fishing rod, please? Like the octopus one.
I'm so close for this.
Please,
one.
can I have the
What?
Can I have the octopus
turning into
rod?
level
Can I have
50
the
on that?
octopus rod?
What? Wait.
Please.
Oh yeah,
What?
Philip.
You guys trying to get to
Like
level
the
50?
octopus
chat
fishing
earlier.
rod.
Yeah, you can have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I own every single one of them.
Yeah. You're a cool guy, Phillips.
Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, guys,
Wait.
Philip.
Did he buy one?
Look what I got last night.
Bro,
What?
take your
Wait, did he?
Oh,
Wait, did you-
that is
Wait,
sick.
can I have one, Phillips? Can I have a?
Yo, this is an actual baby.
Yo, thank
I
you,
need to beat
Phillips.
it up anyway.
Yo, thank you, Phillips.
Take your two.
Welcome.
Shout out to Phillips, guys. He's a nice kid.
Take your two.
Yeah,
Wait,
Phillips
whoa,
is a
whoa.
nice guy. I didn't mean to scam him. I thought I didn't know.
This is the last
not
cast.
Yeah, it's
I need
awesome.
to check the UG app, the UG calculator I have.
Alright,
It's
now
fake,
I can go.
bro.
Alright, that was
Our calculators are fan made, they're not real.
Alright, look where you didn't say the forward if that's where it was.
Now level 51. Mission complete.
And I need to be. Oh, got something! I got something! It just went down really fast. It just went down really fast. It just went down.
It's crystal fish. It's crystal fish.
Crystal fish.
No, it was the purple.
Oh my.
I thought it was then, because like it looked on
Wait, yo.
I have this thing to level 40. Oh my god, never mind. I thought it was to this fish. Not a fish.
I thought it was.
I'll do that. Out.
Wait, can we do height
Wait, did I
comparison?
get it? No way, no way. Did I get it?
Tough one or this thingy. Can we do height
Whoa.
comparison? I just want to see.
Level
When
40.
I get level 50.
I got to level 40.
I mean, if
What
you
level
want
is
me
that
to,
at right now?
Wait, can we do height comparison, Blitz?
Yeah, hold on. Let me catch it real quick.
Because if that's big, I might go to the public and try to.
what big?
Nope.
What level? Level 11.
Look at this.
Bah.
Yo.
Almost.
Yeah.
Almost.
Okay, I think the new fusion has
close.
to be the biggest fish.
Especially for
Wait,
level.
this is the tallest and strongest dino in game, I think.
Yeah, and it's also the
I think
fastest
so.
dino as well. If you know how
No,
to,
Xenodon is. Xenodon is.
I mean, no, if you know how to like stretch your arms out really good,
Let's
then
do height comparison, Malabam.
Yo, Philip, where'd you go?
Give me a minute.
I caught a tooth really. Oh, you need to delete the tooth spray because you can't eat them. You only can sell them for tiny
Like,
pieces
this
of
guy
bone.
is sick. Yo, this guy's like sick.
Did I get, did I
Like,
get
guys,
it? Did I get
imagine
it?
I got angles. Imagine I got angles.
No, I got a tooth really. Dude, dude, they need to make it.
Here,
Where
I'm
you
just
can,
take your
going in the
tooth.
water. I'm
Wow,
just
that
going
ain't
in
mine.
the water.
they need to make it where you can eat the tooth form like XP. Cause like, what's the point of catching the teeth if it's not gonna let you eat it?
Oh, trust. Get eaten.
MA, when are you gonna, you know,
He got
trade
angles.
the hammer hug?
Oh, he just got angles.
The guy with the Snoop egg is somewhere else. I don't know.
I'm at the training table.
I'll meet you.
Or I'll be over there.
Wait, what level are you right now?
43, and it's almost leveled up.
Wait, so are you just leveling up to level 44 and then you're going? Oh. Hold on, Cathy.
Yeah.
What were you catching, Philip?
Yo,
I'm
I can
catching
show you, I
nothing.
can show you the
I
egg.
gotta
can show
catch
you.
one fish, and I keep catching
Yo, bro.
nothing.
Nice. It's Snoop Jaw.
Wait, are you? What were you
I'm sleeping
catching,
in my jaw
Philip?
right now.
What color hammer hook would you give?
I have a lot, but I'll give you a red and blue one since I have a lot of that color.
Oh, red and blue ones are my favorite, bro.
Oh my! I caught a diamond. I caught a
Oh,
diamond.
how big is this? Oh, what?
No, I got a diamond. Look what I
Look at my
caught.
headset's about to die.
Look at
So
that
if I
cat.
don't get it, it's fine.
Look what I caught.
I'm not rushing you. I'm not.
It's one more.
that
It's one
cat.
more.
Oh.
Look at that cat.
Is it over 50?
Look what I caught.
Bro.
I caught the diamond.
Dang, bro.
Caught the diamond.
You had to catch a crystal at the end.
Uh-oh, wait.
That's what happened to me too.
Yo, this guy is literal sick.
Yo, Philip,
like
do
that
you
one?
want me to give you a level 21 of that version? It's like,
Okay, I can go now. I can go.
Alright,
alright, I'll,
This guy's sick right now.
okay, let me get on my.
I'll wait
I
for
got-
your turn.
Whoa. Yo, I can't believe he gave me this. This guy's sick.
Yeah.
Yo, the best dino ever.
Yeah.
Yo, this is the best dino ever.
Yo, I'm feeling.
Oh, yo, did you see that?
What?
Did you see that?
No.
I was up in the air and I threw it and it landed on the table.
Oh, no. Yo, wait, that's like mother color kind of. It's blue and red.
That's the coolest color.
Wait, before you leave.
Guys,
Yeah.
Hold on. I need to see if anyone has colors
I have the bundle.
Uh,
I have
wait,
the
is this
bundle
yours?
hammer hug. Guys, I have the bundle
Sheldon,
hammer hug.
wait, do I have that color?
No, I don't.
No,
Wait,
out
I'm
of
checking.
all
I
of
have the
them,
bundle
gang.
hammer
checking,
hug.
wait, I'm
Wait,
checking.
what do you got?
I got the bundle hammer hug.
No, I don't. Oh, it's
Look
mother
at that.
color
I
you're
got the
looking
bundle
for.
hammer
Is
hug.
that,
What
are those
about
the only ones
the
you
bundle?
Magmadon?
I got the bundle hammer
Magmadons?
hug.
Let me see. I think I got the third color actually. Yeah, I got
got
the
this
third
one.
color. I
Yes.
got the third color.
Oh, I can trade for that one after. Hold on.
Alright. You
Of
also
course you
have.
have a level 100, bro.
What? I have a level 100 razor.
Darn it, I don't even know what I can trade for that. I could trade... what?
Can I give you my level
Okay, bro, I have
22?
to use the bathroom so hard. I have to use the
Can
bathroom.
I give you my level 22 for that?
Before you leave, for that certain...
Are you already
Is there a
there?
dino?
Wait, can I
Is there-
give you these two
Yeah.
sutras for the hammer hug? Oh no.
You guys,
Yeah, hold on.
Yay.
guys.
What about, do you have any...
Magmadons?
Swoop dust?
So, I mean, these are my...
Yes. Yeah, guys.
Those are my only two colors.
I'm doing the code, Mom.
What
I'm doing the
about...
code now.
Oh,
Hmm?
Tyrone?
You guys.
Tyrog? Tyrog.
Guys.
sorry. I do not. I only have Lucio. I can't
Oh,
add
he
them.
has that one. He has that one. He has that one.
Who? Wait, you don't have that one?
I don't have that one.
Oh, it says
I
you
can
have
color
it for
swap
me.
this one for it.
Yeah. I just really want a hammer hug. I don't know if I don't have enough to get the saddle, but I just really want one so badly.
Yo, guys.
Badly.
Yeah, nice. Okay, I'll add that to the table. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
Flapjacks. No, I do not have one. I check. No.
well, you have the Dilophosaurus. You got the
I have
color in it?
mother. Got
Oh.
another color.
I'll add another hammer hug to that if you add them.
Oh, okay. Yeah, come
Just
here.
dropped your swoop jaw, gang.
Oh, did I? Sorry, Sujal. Well, actually, I'm trading you away, so I don't have to say so.
What about crystaldon?
Crystaldon, I do not have a single one. I have skeletons, and I got 2 skeletons and 1 bulwark. That's it.
Borrow?
I think I'll have the second. Oh no, I have the first one.
Oh, you have the first one. I can finish that right there too.
Yeah.
I'll add 2 hammer hugs.
Bet. Best day.
And then the skeleton we can do after if you have a color I need.
What colors? Oh, that's.
Oh my god, bro.
I do. I have 2 colors. One that I like.
need.
I got this one and this one. I really want to keep the top one.
Which one you want to keep? You want to keep that one? Okay.
That
I'll
is
trade
what
you.
That one.
Do you mind if I just do one hammer hug egg for that?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be an interesting trade.
Yeah. I know I'm overpaying, but yeah, I'll do this.
All right, let me get. So I'm probably giving you like 5 hammer hugs.
Yeah,
gang.
probably. Well, if you give
color
me,
swap.
yeah.
Oh wait, no 4.
Yeah.
I think.
I mean, if you wanna give me 5, you could just remove the Tyrog and keep it, and trade that for a different color.
Trying to look for ones that has 3x on it. Right there.
3x.
Yeah, I have 3x of some.
Whoa. I'll do that, and that's also mother color too. Well, it's not mother color, but it's like kind of mother.
Wow. I need all of this except for that. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
Sujal. Yeah. Thank you, bro. I probably lost so
Wait,
much.
did I just get silver badge?
Did you?
No. Wait, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Oh
8.
my god, I love
So I need 2 more.
2 more for the silver badge.
And boom.
I really want to offer one of your crystaldons because I really want one. Sorry, give me luck. Oh, you don't.
That duplicate. I
Oh
have a
wait,
duplicate.
can I offer like the duplicate one, the lowest level one?
Yeah.
What level's like the lowest level one?
I have a 0.
0. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna keep my hammer.
Hopefully crystaldon spawns soon.
Yeah. Do you want a Zedodon bundle?
Oh god, that's cool. Hold
You
on.
can still get it. It's
Oh my
just
god, this looks cool. I got the mother.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, I gotta check. What else was I looking for? Oh, Xenodons. Yes, yes.
You already have a bundle, but you could trade it for possibly free though.
You have any of these?
No, this is my only Zedodon.
Okay, I'll do that then.
Yay! I'm gonna name him Acid. Wait, how long have I been recording for? Oh my
You're recording?
Yeah, I was recording. I've been recording for 16 minutes. I got about. Oh no,
Oh, let's go open that soup jar egg. Maybe I'll get lucky.
Oh wait, yeah, and I can also hatch that hammer hug egg. Maybe I could get mother as well. Yo,
I mean, there's a chance out of all of them that you could get a bundle, because I forgot I put a bundle in all of that.
Oh, wait, do you need an egg holder?
No, I got it.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, I won't.
Hop in the back.
Oh, alright. It's like
I might be a little slow since.
Nah,
you know.
you're really fast. I swear. The new dino's like faster than the Zedodon. I swear.
Dinos are getting better every day.
Yeah. Look, the new
And I hate the
fusion-
fact I won't be here next week for the Mosasaurus because yeah, I'll trade a lot of hammer hugs for that though. I'm trying to keep some for that.
Yeah. Alright, let's go see if I get mother or bundle or whatever color I get. And it's cracked. Alright, will I get bundle?
Time to one-hand this.
Am I running? I mean, I could have just bought you the thing.
Well, the thing is I'd have to throw it back there and then I don't know if I can make it up because this thing is so huge.
Oh yeah.
This is my biggest dino out of everything.
Yeah. Here's my Toughless. What's it called, bro? It's a real name. Alright, is this gonna be a bundle or is this just gonna be a mother color or random color?
Will this be the color I need, or will
Wait,
this
should we
be a
hatch
color
in
I
the
don't-
same nest or?
Yeah, do that.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Imagine if they make us swim in. I know that would be crazy. Imagine if they made a swoop jaw and a swoop jaw and spino fusion, since they were the first. So jaw was the first flying down, and so was spino. What do you think color we got? Let's see. Oh, we both got green, don't we? We both got green. That's nice.
Darn, I wanted to get the freaking one color.
Yeah. No,
His mother looks cool.
Yeah. I'll have to wait until the new golden egg is out so I can buy it settle. And also grind gold. Oh yeah. Let's see how much the settle actually costs for it.
Do you think this thing will eat you?
I don't know.
This thing?
Probably. It's cost 1,750. That's a lot. Reposting the code if you like. Oh wait, before that, I'm gonna check on. Wait, did you leave? Either. Wait, no, where's my fishing rod? No, where's my fishing rod? No. Oh no. Oh. Alright, I'm reposting the code since crystalsdon just spawned. Host. Oh, what? Okay. Join. There we go. So this server will be just fully rock. And people should be first player. Hello. Crystaldon's here. More people joining or no? Alright. Okay, no one's really joining. Okay. I'll just wait. I'll go level this guy up. Well, first off, we're gonna buy you armor and a back saddle. What's this for? Health, and then this is for attack and yo. Yeah, this code was for crystalsdon, just so you know. And also, I'm also making the vid where we also fished for the crystal fish.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Finally made it a code, bro. What the frick is this? Where am I? I got my own house.
Hello.
Who got weapons?
Yeah, that's.
I can borrow your weapons.
Chacha's trying to act like. Bro, Chacha's acting.
Who needs weapons? Who needs weapons? Who
Come
needs
here.
weapons?
I need a weapon.
Hello, I'm a brand new
Come here.
player.
Alright.
How did you get in the code? I want to kill bosses. I want to kill bosses.
4.
Who are these people?
We're killing Christopher.
Who are these people, guys?
Where did my
How you
weapons
kill
go?
bosses? I want to kill bosses. I want to kill bosses.
Wait, you said you knew it. You said you knew, right?
Everyone, I'm making the video
Yeah,
where we.
How did you join the squad then?
Yo.
This guy showed me how
Mark,
to.
I'm gonna be on your back.
How to.
Well, I'm making a.
Look, I can
Well, I'm
show
gonna
my
go
index. I
fishing.
can prove it. I got right now. He's level 0, and here I have nothing. And
Didn't
the
mean you
fish,
going
what the heck
fishing. I
is
thought we were
this?
killing
I
Christopher.
have
Yeah, we're also killing
just have a
crystaldon. I
stupid
said we're killing crystaldon,
poo-poo
and we're
color.
also fishing for my.
Can we kill some bosses?
Yeah, we're killing
Yeah,
crystaldon
Yeah, let's go
right
kill
now.
Christodon.
Look,
Everybody,
wait,
get on your
guys,
dino,
wait
let's
at
go
me.
kill
I
Christodon.
don't have a dino. I don't have a dino. I got a
I don't have a
crossbow.
weapon. I
Get
don't
on
have
my
a
back
weapon.
saddle.
Who needs a weapon? There's 2 weapons
Get on my
left.
back
Here?
saddle. Get
There's
it.
2
What the
weapons.
heck is that? What the
Uh,
heck? Is that a fat
it's-
booty
I'm gonna go.
cheek? I'm on a fat
need a
booty
saddle.
cheek.
I need a saddle.
Yeah, I'll take you to.
Yo, who needs to go on a back saddle?
What's a crystal?
I'll get my flying.
It's a boss.
It's like
Wait,
a boss. Can you
we
get
got-
eggs?
no,
Can
my
you
video's
get
at
eggs?
15
can't
guys.
get
I
eggs.
won't
There's a
record
chance.
for much longer.
There's a chance you could get an egg from crystaldon, but
Yeah.
it's not always true. So sometimes you might not, or sometimes you may.
And by the way, guys,
My brother played this
when
game
I
and
get
he said,
1 new
he said
subscriber,
he has a
I'll give
skeleton.
away
He has a,
possibly
he
1
has a-
hammer hug to
like he's
viewers
like
that
he
like
looks
and
like a
subscribe.
skeleton and he's like a
When I
dino.
or just subscribe for something else.
I'm making fun of so many
But if you
feathers,
do
really.
all
Wait, I want to
of them,
kill him. I want to kill him.
Saying
Let's go
like
kill him.
doesn't
Everybody,
mean
let's
you
go
really
kill him.
so
Kill him,
That
guys.
is
farmer.
stuttering,
Kill him.
dude. What are you on about?
Kill him.
If you say like a whole bunch of times, that doesn't mean you stutter
Yeah, wait,
when you
wait
go.
for it.
So
Kill
he's like.
Wait, everybody kill him. Everybody
like
kill him.
can't. We need to wait for someone to
Why
pull
is he
the
not
2.
coming out?
What are you on
Are we
about?
killing? Are we
We need
killing?
someone to pull
Are
the
we
2.
killing rocks? Are we killing rocks?
No, well, someone needs to pull the 2.
Who's gonna pull it?
Wait, don't pull it yet. Don't pull it.
Can
Don't
I
pull it.
pull
Don't
the
pull it. Don't pull it. Okay,
Yeah,
people
everybody
are
get in
doing
position.
it.
Everybody get in
Everyone get in
position.
position. Everyone. And is everyone here?
I don't
Everyone
have to
here.
get
Carbon, I got it. Carbon, I got it. Go back.
Okay,
go back.
let's
Get 'em up
go.
south.
Let's go. Start, bro.
Is everyone?
Pull the two.
Wait, is everyone here though? That's the thing.
Hold on.
Yes,
Nico.
bro. Yeah, everybody
Everyone
shoot. Everybody shoot. Shoot, guys. Ah, he's coming. He's coming. I'm scared, bro. Get him.
Just shoot.
Everybody get him. Everybody kill him. He's so ugly. Just keep on shooting. Keep on shooting. How you shoot? Okay, I got it. Wait, I'm shooting.
I'm
I want to get an egg.
I'm moving.
Yo, you don't have to move, bro. Y'all are so stupid. Keep on shooting. Yeah, guys. Don't need to move. Bro, stop
Guys, stop right
moving.
here, stop right here, stop right
No,
here.
we're moving too much. We are gonna win.
The farther you move, the faster he goes.
Come on.
Keep shooting. Keep
You
shooting.
didn't have to move.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's dead. He's
Alright,
dead.
egg.
Oh, we get the egg.
No.
No egg. No. No.
I'll take the ribs back with one hand. I'll take.
I'm so mad.
Oh, I accidentally ate it. Sorry, guys.
Oh my
I'm so
god.
mad.
Definitely accident.
I was trying to keep it down with one hand and take
I
it back.
hate this world. I'm walking into my own self. We're gonna kill him. My own.
Dude, can you just quiet down? Like, you're just noise
I'm gonna
pollution.
kill this on my own.
You're genuinely just noise pollution.
We killed Crystal on no egg, so we're gonna go fishing now for the crystal fish. Let's see if we do actually catch it.
Head? Where are you? We're gonna kill you.
Are you for real, bro?
Oh, you on my back.
Why is he not here? Why is he not here?
By the way, guys, if I catch the crystal fish, yeah, I have the luckiest subscriber.
Guys, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm scared. Guys, can somebody come with me? I'm scared.
Shut it.
You! Why?
Oh, minigame.
Why? You're still here. Come. I think
By the way,
the
guys,
guy's gonna
minigames
bully
is
me.
like really cool now. You can. I'm gonna get
Guys,
this to level 50
Where are
and
you,
then.
everybody? Is everybody away?
Oh, I got some. I got some.
I don't have even a wrap.
Oh, yeah, yep. This is probably a powerful fish. Yeah, I know.
Guys, I'm a noob. I'm a noob.
Let's go
in
do
this
mini
game.
games.
That's stupid.
Let's go
Who
do
is
mini.
rich in this game?
I'm rich.
I wanna die in a
Did anyone get the two?
No, we didn't get the crystal egg, sadly.
No, the two.
I don't know. I accidentally ate the ribs.
Guys, I hear a monster coming! Behind me! Behind me is a big monster! He's running so fast! Ah! Guys, he didn't got me! He didn't got me, I was too fast!
I got. Okay. I'm gonna end my video.
Guys, I got it! I got it!
But yeah, guys, this is.
Help!
What do you mean? I can't help. Oh.
Help me!
Everybody, I need to tell you something.
Alright, but yeah, guys, this is the end of the vid. I hope you liked it, because if you do want to meet me, the code is. I'll show you the code right now. This is the code 98712. I'll keep posting it on
Guys, I
Discord,
got gold!
and when I get about 50 subscribers, I will do a
Guys, I
live
got
stream.
gold! I got gold! Who wants gold? Who
Yeah,
wants
you guys
gold?
can stay tuned until I get 50 subscribers.
Who wants gold?
But when I
got
get
this
40
golden
subscribers, I'm 3 subscribers away from
Put
40.
it in the
So
target.
when I get 40 subscribers,
Hello, look, I got
Put it in
gold.
here's what I'm gonna give away.
Put it in here. Wee!
I will give away, let's
2,000 what?
oh,
You
for the
found
24
a gold
subscribers.
too.
Well, for the
30
40
nuts?
subscriber, I'll give them a
Yo.
cryodon.
I want
If
this.
them are
Somebody
40
buy this for
subscribers.
me. Somebody buy this for me. I want it.
Yes,
Guys,
you can
how
leave
be
a
pro
comment.
with
Yes, you can
game?
leave a comment
How you
saying
buy like
I'm the
things?
40
I wanna buy like
subscriber.
things.
And then when you're the 40 subscriber, you'll get your free cryodon. So yeah,
Guys, what the heck is this? Guys,
so yeah,
who wants to
guys,
trade
make
with
sure
me?
to like and
Who want-
subscribe.
guys,
Who wants to trade with me?
I do hope you did enjoy this vid. I really hope. But yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. Shout out to the people that were.
Who is talking right now? Like and be live?
Me, I'm just making the
Got my
vid.
dino in here.
But
Are
shout
you a
out.
YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm really small though. But I only got 37 subscribers.
Can you? I want to be on YouTube. Can you
Yeah,
record
well,
me?
yeah, I'm already recording, so we hear you talking, so the viewers will hear you talking.
Yeah, where are you? Where are you?
And the mini.
Wait, where's the camera?
Yeah, here. It's right.
Where are you? I don't
Record
see
me.
you.
It's right here. You're already in the vid.
Face the camera towards me.
Well, alright, I'm facing
Guys,
the
where
camera
is
towards
he?
you, but look.
Guys, where are you?
I'm
I
in
wanna
the
be
mini
on
game.
record
I'm in the
camera.
little stone thing.
Stone?
Yeah. Oh, my thing's at 5%, guys. I really have to end it now, so.
Wait, bro. I want to be on YouTube. Where are you? I don't see you.
I'll just put your name on them. Like, these are their names, and yeah, shout out to that the best ride in the game. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the vid. I hope you enjoyed me fishing and killing crystalsdon.
Fishing? What the frick? Fishing?
Yeah, they had
You can fish in this game?
This guy's new, but alright, guys, this is the end of the vid. Make sure to like and
What
subscribe.
the frick is this?
Yeah,
1,000,
peace.
I wanna
Shout out
fish.
to the people that were
I wanna
in.
Can you give me a fishing rod?
Guys,
Yeah.
how you
Alright.
fish? How you fish in
Like
this
and
game?
subscribe and peace.
Guys, how you fish?